Okay, guys, we're back. I hope you can see the screen now. Can you see my screen now, guys?
Hi, Miss.
Okay, guys. I hope you can see my screen now.
لا بس الصورة سوداء.
No,
It's downloading. Group 5 internet shared a screen.
okay.
لا أنا مزهرة بقى كده خلاص.
I shared my screen now, guys. I hope you see it.
I can see it.
I can see it.
I can see.
You're drawing around. You're drawing on my screen.
مس أنا البتاع عندي عمل معلش.
Okay, yes,
Miss,
I
I
know.
Miss, I can see
I
the
know you
screen
don't
now. I can
see
see.
it. Okay, guys, I hope you can see it.
Yes, I can see the screen.
I can.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, guys. So I was talking about reflexes, and you learned that reflexes are not controlled by the brain. Okay, they are controlled by your spinal cord. Okay, but you start feeling the pain when these messages reach your brain. So it's nice. It's a rhythm thing, right? You start feeling the pain when the messages reach the brain. That's an easy one, right?
Miss, what is a spinal?
What?
Miss, what is a spinal?
The spinal cord?
Yes.
Yes, it's this cord or string connected or coming down from your brain. And from the spinal cord, we have a lot of nerves coming out, branching out of it. This is the spinal cord. Can you see it? This cord coming down from the brain. Can you see it? Up to lower back, up to your lower back. It's actually protected by your spinal cord. I'm sorry, it's protected by your backbone. That's what it's inside these strong bones, yeah.
Okay.
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 And you guys watched this where the father had his reflex.
شايفها مش كده.
Yes.
شايفة. أيوة.
Of course, guys, this is controlled by the spinal cord, not the brain. He did not think about it. He did not give himself time to think. He just moved, you know, involuntary. Okay, so he did not control this movement. We call it involuntary movement. Okay.
دلوقتي سامعاني؟
Yes.
دلوقتي سامعاني؟
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yes.
بس السؤال اللي أنا كنت عايزة أسأله
Who wants to ask a question?
هو أول ما
Yes, I'm good. I can hear you.
when the body touches something hot,
Yes.
the nerves take how much time to go to the brain to do the reaction?
You cannot calculate this. It's tiny time. You cannot calculate it. It's not even a second. It's less than that. Way less than a second.
A
Okay.
quarter second.
Yes.
Less than 0.1.
Some people take longer, but that means that maybe there is something wrong with their nerves. And maybe they have something wrong with their nerves, that they are unhealthy or something. But once you touch something hot, your hands move so fast. You can't actually say how long does it take, because I mean it's not even a second. Yeah, it's less than
0.1 like Charlotte said.
Yes, Am?
1.
Miss, it's 0.1 second.
Yes, maybe. Okay, guys, this image, as we said, is showing the stomach, which is an organ inside our bodies, and it's actually an organ in the digestive system that we will learn about now. You can see how this organ is actually made of different types of tissues. As you can see, you have muscle tissue, you have connective tissue, nervous tissue. Blood is a connective tissue, by the way. It connects all the systems together. It connects the heart with the lungs and with the skin. So the blood actually is a connective tissue that connects all the organs together. Okay, and you can see here that it's also made up of epithelium Okay?
بس أنا شايف black screen.
You cannot see the screen again?
لا أنا شايف حاجة black كده، الشاشة black.
وانا مكتوب تحت كده
انا شايفه لسه السكرين.
انا شايف فيفي
انا لسه شايفه السكرين.
Guys,
انا شايفه السكرين.
guys, I'm sharing the screen والله. So, I don't know.
The first screen is on with me. شغالة مش معايا كمان.
Can work with me. I can see your screen.
Miss, I can see your screen. Miss, I can see it now. I can see it now.
Okay, so alhamdulillah.
ليه مش شايفة
Okay,
السكرين؟
guys. So today, inshallah, as we said, are going to start with the first system, which is your digestive system. This is the first system we're learning about. As we said, it's the system that helps you break down the food. Okay. You can see here, this is how it looks. We have here liver. It's like an extra organ. It's not actually only for the digestive system. It's actually kind of, you know, common between different systems. So if we wanted to know the parts of the digestive system, the liver is included, but it's not part of the digestive system, but it helps through digestion. Okay. So of course we'll start with the mouth. That's the beginning of our digestive system, where we get the food, right? We chew the food from the mouth, now the nose, for example. So it starts with the mouth, and inside the mouth we have a liquid. We all know it. We have liquid inside our mouth. We call this saliva. Saliva, yes. And saliva is very important because it keeps your mouth moisturized and also helps in digestion of carbohydrates. Yani things like bread, like potato, all these things are broken down by the saliva. That's why we have something called salivary glands surrounding our mouth, as you can see. You're not studying about them. This is for your knowledge, guys, okay? This is for your own knowledge. So you have salivary glands that are responsible for producing saliva inside your mouth. Yes, Shlok, raise your hand.
Muhammad sent me a message on Messenger to tell you to let him in the meeting.
Who?
Muhammad.
Muhammad? But I don't have anyone in the waiting room. I don't have anyone in the waiting room, guys.
Okay.
And I disabled the waiting room aslan, yeah. So he can come in anytime he wants.
I'll tell him.
Okay? Maybe Shlok, you can send him an invitation. Okay, I will send it to you. Again, I'll copy the end. Wait a second. Wait a second, Shlok. I will send it to you in the chat, okay?
Okay.
So you can send it back to him. But I disabled the notes for everyone. So Shlok, I hope you can send it to Muhammad. But there is no waiting room. I disabled the waiting room. Okay, back to what I was saying, guys. So the digestive system starts with the mouth, and then we have this long tube, as you can see, this long tube, okay? And this long tube is called esophagus. People call it esophagus. So it can be called both, esophagus or esophagus, okay? And it's a long tube that helps in the movement of food from mouth to the stomach, okay, which is, there is it, the stomach, okay? So again, we have mouth, and then we have the esophagus, which is a long tube, and actually this tube is muscular tube. It's made up of muscles, because this is how the food will go down by the contraction and relaxation of the muscles. And then we have the stomach, which is the main organ, we can say. Like when we say digestive system, what comes first in your head is the stomach, okay? And the stomach actually contains a liquid called hydrochloric acid. We can say it's in Arabic, hamd al-hydrochloric, if you wanted to know its name in Arabic. And this is a really concentrated acid, okay, that helps the food to break down, okay? So it turned it into like a green liquid, like simple liquid. So when it moves to the small intestine, let me show you the small intestine in here, moves then to the small intestine. Inside the small intestine is where all the digestion takes place. I mean, you start digesting the food, or the final step in digestion begins in the stomach, where your nutrients are absorbed, so it can be sent to the blood, and then the blood will take the nutrients to the rest of the cells. Afterwards, we still have parts of the food that we do not need, that we need to get rid of. That's where the rest of the food will move. Guys, please give me just time. Do not interrupt me. Okay? So the rest of the food that we do not need will move then to the large intestine, where the water is absorbed from the food until we produce feces. Can you see this word, feces? Can you see it?
No, miss.
Can you guys see this word? Feces, can you see it here?
No.
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 Guys, I marked it. I hope you can see it. Let me move back. Here it is, feces. Can you see it? I underlined it.
No.
Can you see it?
No.
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 No, I cannot.
It's the last word in the sentence. Can't you see this word? Feces.
ايوه يا مس دلوقتي شفناها.
أنا دلوقتي شايفاها.
Now I can see it.
Yes, this
Wow.
word means waste, or the stool, the poop that comes out from our bodies. Okay, so poop or feces, or we can say stool, is the hard waste that we get rid of. Okay. So here we have some questions, but before moving to the question, let me tell you the extra parts in the digestive system, and that's for your knowledge, guys. Okay, guys, again, please, if you're not using the microphone, mute yourselves, okay? Because sometimes I can hear your parents talking, okay? We don't want that to happen, right? Okay, so we have the liver, okay? And this is a very important organ because it helps in digestion. It produces this liquid called bile. Bile is made in the liver. And this liquid or fluid helps in the digestion through the small intestine. So that's how the liver is very important, because it produces a liquid called bile. Here, here it is. Here is the bile. Okay. I hope you guys can see it.
Yes, miss.
Yes, I hope you can see
I
it.
can see it.
So it's a very important word because you will then be asked about it. Okay, this bile helps in the digestion through the small intestine, which is this part in here. This is the small intestine where the digestion actually ends, يعني, where we start absorbing the nutrients that we need, okay, through the small intestine. Okay, this bile or this liquid is actually stored inside something called gallbladder. Gallbladder. We call it in Arabic, if you wanted to know its name, المرارة. Okay, so the gallbladder is where this bile or the liquid that is produced by the liver is stored. So inside the gallbladder. Okay.
Miss, what will
Yes.
what will we write?
I can't see. Habibi, who's asking this question? Yes, you can wait till I tell you what should we write. Yeah, if I just wanted you guys to have your notebooks, and when I started writing on the smart board, there is something wrong with it. So I will write with you guys at the end of the session. I mean, we still have about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? Okay, because I need you guys to draw the digestive system with me. That's why I wanted you guys to get your notebooks. Okay? We also have an extra organ, which we call pancreas. Pancreas, or pancreas, we can call it whatever we want. In Arabic, it's called pancreas in Arabic, so it's the same thing. Okay, and pancreas is also a helpful organ through digestion because it produces juice, okay? It produces juice or a liquid, okay, that breaks down the fat and carbohydrates, okay, and also protein. Some people raise their hands. No, it's only Shlok, okay. So that's how we can, guys, guess that the main parts of the digestive system are the mouth, then we have esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. Let me, yes, here's the large intestine, okay? Those are the main parts of the digestive system. But we have helpful organs through digestion. We have the liver, you have kabit in Arabic, kabit. This is the liver. And we have the gallbladder, okay? And we learned that liver produces liquid that helps in digestion, which is called bile. And bile is stored inside the gallbladder. We also have pancreas, which is helpful in breaking down fats, carbohydrates, and protein. Okay? Okay. Now we'll have some questions. You can raise your hand if you want to answer these questions. Okay, we'll choose, of course, from here. Let me, get this here. I'm trying to. Okay, we have Amgad. Do you want to answer this question? Or you just raise your hands for something else?
Not to answer the question.
You want to answer? Okay, that's good. Okay, you will answer the first question. In which part of the digestive system is bile made?
Liver.
Liver, yes, thank you. That's right. Okay, let's move to the second question. This is a really long one. Okay, Anne, would you like to answer this question?
Miss, I think the screen hanged.
Yes, yes, look.
I think the screen hanged.
You think what?
The screen hanged. I can still see only number 1.
Okay, it's maybe frozen.
Yeah.
Well, it's just taking time. It's taking time, Habibi Wallah, because of the internet. Anyway, guys, you're coming to the school soon, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Miss, but I will not.
When we come to the school, inshallah, we will go to the science lab and have more fun than the online sessions, because online sessions are not that fun, actually. Because in the school, you will see a model of the digestive system. And that's really cool. I mean, you will be able to touch the stomach and feel the liver. Of course, all of this is made up of plastic, but we still can touch them. They are so realistic, yeah. Okay, Amu, can you answer question number 2? I will read it for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Amu. I hope you can see the screen, Yan.
Yes, yes, I can see it.
Okay, in which part of the digestive system is the food chewed? We chew the food, right? And mixed with saliva from salivary glands. This is an easy one.
Mouth.
Mouth, yeah, that's really easy. You think that the question's so big, but the answer is so easy.
It's so easy because the mouth has saliva.
Yes, that's right. Okay, Shlok, you can answer number 3. I hope you can see the screen by now.
Okay. It's still freeze. I can see only number 2 now.
You can only see number 2?
1 second.
Miss, I can't see.
I said you can see also.
I'll check
I
something.
can.
Now I can see.
I can see. I can see it now.
Now I can't see.
Now I can.
It's taking just few seconds, guys. Okay. Shlok, can you see now question number 3?
Yes.
Yes. It says which part of the digestive system connects the mouth to the stomach?
Ozone pass.
Which part connects the mouth with the stomach?
Ozone pass.
Oh, okay. It's called esophagus. Esophagus. The BH here has the sound of an F. Esophagus.
Esophagus.
No, no, sweetie, that's so nice of you. No, it's called esophagus. You can write this word on any of the programs that can read the word for you, so you can repeat it after it, okay? But it's called esophagus. Yes, that's right. Thank you so much, Shlok. Thank you so much. Okay, let's move to the fourth question. We have Nohan here raising her hand. Nohan, I hope you can see the question by now. Guys, when we finish these questions, the session will be over.
No, Miss, I can't see the question.
Me
You
neither.
can't see the question. Okay.
Yes.
Let's give it
The
a
internet
minute,
is
guys. Let's give it a minute.
the internet is so bad.
Nohan, can you see the screen now?
No. Yes.
Yes, I can see it.
Alhamdulillah. Okay.
I can see it.
Nohan, it says here, the question says, in which part of the digestive system is water absorbed from undigested food to form feces? And we said that feces could be poop, right? It could be waste, the hard waste. What do you think the part that is responsible for forming waste? Huh?
Stomach.
Well, in the stomach, the food is broken down to make it easy for the small intestine to absorb all the nutrients. After the small intestine, we have parts of the food that we do not need that then will move to the large intestine.
bladder.
Okay, so it's large
Okay.
intestine. Okay, okay, Nuhan, you can answer the next question if you want. In which part of the digestive system, you still can't see the screen, right?
مش ينفع اقول يا مس.
No, I said Nuhan يا عودي. Give her.
طب يا مس والله انا بقالي كتير ما قلتش.
I know, but you're not raising your hand. I'm picking people who are raising their hands. If you raise your hand, I would have seen you and picked you. You can answer the question after Nuhan. We still have 3 questions. Okay, Nuhan. So it says here, in which part of the digestive system is bile stored? The liver makes it, makes the bile, produces the bile. But which part stores it?
The stomach.
Nuhan.
What?
Not the stomach, sweetie. Focus, please. It's something next to the liver.
The pancreas.
No.
I know.
طيب, can Oday answer this question?
مس أيوة يا مس.
Oday, can you answer this question?
In which part of the digestive is bile stored?
Bile stored, yes. Guys, we just sit there. Huh? No, not pancreas, guys. It's the gallbladder. This one.
I know.
Liver makes the bile.
مس أنا كنت هقولها يا مس والله بس أنا قلت هتبقى غلط.
Okay. Guys, that's why I need you to focus more, okay? It's the gallbladder. That's where the bile is stored.
Miss, my sister is answering the questions.
Your sister answered the question? It's okay. That's good.
Yes.
Okay, guys. I will answer this one. In which part of the digestive system is polycarbonate added to the digesting food to neutralize it? It's the pancreas. This is another job for the pancreas. It produces juice that digests protein, carbohydrates, but also help in neutralizing the food, to make the food not acidic and not. It's something you will learn about later, so I will not confuse you. Okay. The question before the last. Let me pick someone else. We have Yasin Dueni. Yasin, can you answer number 7? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. In which part of the digestive system is soluble food absorbed? يعني we absorb بقى الفود. We take all the nutrients in.
Stomach.
No. A stomach breaks down the food to make it easy for the small intestine to absorb. يعني in the stomach we have this strong acid that breaks the food down to simple form for the small intestine then to absorb it. So the absorption happens in the small intestine. Okay, guys? The last question, let me pick someone else. We have Mamdouh. Mamdouh.
Yes.
Yes, in which part
In
of
which
the
part of the
digestive
digestive
system is
system?
hydrochloric acid produced? This is the strong acid. It's only found inside. The one thing that people kept saying its name wrong. What do you think?
أيوة مس Osphagus lady.
No, not this one. You can't have acid in your esophagus actually. That will cause you pain. I think when people get to we call حموضة لما حد يقول لك أنا عندي حموضة. When you eat something with a lot of
مش يبقى اسمه ايه
or-
بس
I know.
يبقى stomach.
and that's because the acid يا ممدوح in the stomach has been raised up to your esophagus. That's why you start feeling the feeling we feel after eating a lot of spicy food. We call it حموضة. You say I feel like I have, something in my chest in here. That's what we call حموضة. Okay? It comes from حمض اللي هي الacid inside the stomach. Okay? So the hydrochloric acid or the acid important to break down food is found inside your stomach. So I think, guys, now I will give you 10 minutes to take a break before the next session. Next time. Yes, guys. You keep saying miss. Yes.
Next time يا مس في المدرسة.
What?
هنروح المدرسة يا مس. Next time هنبقى في المدرسة.
Next time you will be still in the school. You still have 1 week. يعني next week you will be in your homes. The week after إن شاء الله you will come back. Not next week. يعني مش يوم الحد ده. The week after. You still have 1 week to stay at home. Okay?
الحد اللي جاي.
Miss, can I say something?
Yes?
أيوة.
Miss, how the students get these answers wrong, and my sister, she has 8 years and she got it right, and I swear I didn't tell her anything.
No, I can't hear you. Wait, I can't hear you. What?
Miss, how the students got these answers, number 7 and number 8 wrong, and my sister, I swear I didn't say for her anything, and she got it correct.
Alhamdulillah, that's really nice. She was listening to
and
the
she has 8 years.
She was
and
listening.
she has 8 years only.
She's only 8 years.
Yes.
Allah.
عمرو هي أختك هتيجي عندنا المدرسة صح؟
Okay, guys.
يعني هتيجي جريد
We're not
في الانتر.
chatting with each other. This is still a session. Okay, guys. I will give you 10 minutes before the next session. See you inshallah next time. And we will continue, of course, the digestive system next time. Okay? Because we'll have more talking about it. We'll have to talk more about the digestive system. Okay, guys?
Okay, miss.
And I'm sorry about the notebook thing, but I think there is something wrong with my smart board, so I will try to it with you guys. Guys, next session, try to make sure you have your notebooks with you at the beginning of the session, okay? Okay. See you next time. Bye. Goodbye, my friends. Bye.
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 Monday.